Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. Dyeable sarees weaved in pure antique zari, silk marked certified. Okay, with bootas and meena pallu. Upper and lower both will have this meena. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is deep bottle green with mustard gold blouse. The most demanding combinations. This is boota pattern and lining, and this is the rich pallu of the sari with the blouse piece. Silk marked certified. Banarsi tussar dyeable raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is tussar color with garnet color blouse piece, deep coffee wine color. Upper and lower both sides you will get these bootas with the meenakari pallu and lining pattern. This is the look of the sari with the blouse piece, silk marked certified. Banarsi tussar dyeable raw silk sarees, beautiful navy blue color with green, deep green combination. Upper and lower both sides you will get these bootas with the rich meenakari pallu. This comes the pallu and this is the blouse piece. Very beautiful combination, you can see. Very beautiful color. Banarsi pure handloom tussar dyeable sarees, tussar raw silks, weaved in pure antique zari. Extremely beautiful combination. This is deep garnet color, deep coffee wine color with upper and lower both sides you will get these bootas and rich pallu in meenakari, and this comes the blouse piece. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom dupian raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, gold with red combination. This is reddish maroon color blouse. The boota and lining pattern. Upper and lower both borders will be same. This is the rich pallu and this is the blouse piece. The most demanding combination of raw silk Banarasi, bright purplish pink with yellow gold, mustard gold combination. The rich pallu with the blouse piece in gold. Very sober and smart combination. Banarsi pure handloom dupian raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari in borderless patterns. Sea green with purple blouse. The rich pallu. Upper and lower both borders are same with the purple blouse. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. This is deep green color, deep bottle green with tussar color blouse piece with the rich pallu, and upper and lower both sides will be equal bootas, and this is the blouse piece, the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom dupian raw silk, silk marked certified, sea green color with black combination. The rich pallu with the upper and lower both sides equal bootas and lining. This is the look of the sari, fully meenakari weaved and antique zari woven. Banarsi pure handloom dupian raw silk sari, silk marked certified, black with red combination. This is the rich palla with the BP in reddish maroon. This is the look of the sari, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom dupian raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. This is bright mustard gold color, a very demanding shade with the rich pallu, and this is the blouse piece, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified. This is lavenderish dusty pink color with bright purple blouse, half lehriya pattern weaving. This is a rich pallu. Half sari will be in booties, you can see, and half after pleats it will come in lehriya pattern, antique zari weaving, you can see. And this is the blouse piece, plain with border, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, lehriya pattern with the rich pallu and with the plain blouse. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, lehriya pattern weaving and booties pattern with the rich pallu. Blouse is plain, and this is the look of the whole sari. Banarsi pure handloom Dupion raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. The contrast blouse. This is the sari color, navy blue, in lehriya pattern. Before pleats, it will come in booties. This booties will come before pleats, and after pleats, these lehriya design will come with the rich pallu and the contrast blouse. This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique sari in lehriya pattern and booties pattern. Half sari is in lehriya till pleats, and before pleats it will come in booties with the rich pallu, and blouse is plain. You can see this is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, half lehriya design, silk marked certified. Before pleats it will come in booties. You see, these booties will come before pleats, and lehriya pattern will come after pleats. This is the whole look of the sari, and this is the blouse piece in red, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk. This is steel blue color, which is called peacock blue color, in half lehriya pattern design. Till pleats it will come in booties, and after pleats this is the pallu, and this booties pattern will come till pleats, and after pleats this lehriya pattern will come, this lehriya pattern. And this is the blouse piece with the silk mark certification. Blouse piece will have a border. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, half lehriya pattern, pastel grey, copperish grey you can say, with the coffee blouse, plain with border. Half sari till pleats will come in booties pattern. This booties pattern will come in half sari, and after pleats it will come like this lehriya pattern. This is the rich blouse. The whole look of Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified. This is half lehriya pattern. Half body is in lehriya pattern and half body is in booties. Before pleats it will be in booties. This is the rich pallu, and this is the blouse piece. You can see the blouse piece. These booties will come till pleats, and after pleats these lehriya pattern will come on the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk. This is lavenderish pink color with rani pink, deep rani pink blouse. Very beautiful combination, seriously. Half lehriya pattern design. See, before pleats the booties will come throughout the sari, and after pleats this lehriya pattern. See, these booties will come, and after pleats this lehriya pattern will come. And this is the blouse piece, plain with border, same as the sari, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk. This is half lehriya pattern design. Beautiful pastel shade, new shades, antique zari woven. From after pleats you will get this lehriya pattern, and before pleats it will be in booties. You can see these booties will come before pleats, and this is the red blouse. The blouse will have a border. This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Dupion raw silk sari in lehriya pattern, fully antique zari woven, silk marked. Half sari is in lehriya pattern with booties. Also the rich pallu. This is the lehriya pattern till pleats, and before pleats it will come like this booties, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Dupion raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is light brown with coffee color blouse, very beautiful garnet blouse, lehriya pattern weaving in antique zari. The rich pallu. Half sari is in booties and half sari is in lehriya pattern. These booties half sari and half sari is in lehriya pattern. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. Half sari is in lehriya and half sari is in booties. The rich pallu with the blouse plain. This is the look of the sari. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sarees, silk marked certified, weaved in lehriya design. Upper and lower both borders are same. You can see Beautiful sari with the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Ready to ship, silk marked certified.